Everyone's call here. They do a taste test review of Chenez's cotton candy flavored gourmet popcorn. And there's the ingredients. Let's try this out. Definitely great flavor on this. Tastes well with the popcorn for sure. Not sure how he does this, but this is amazing. The flavor in that. So yeah. So yeah, definitely tastes like cotton candy for sure. I'll definitely get this again soon. I believe you can buy these online on their website. So I hope you try one of their flavors. So they got so many different flavors, and I'm gonna try 2 more of these. I bought different flavors, so I'm gonna try a or 2 I bought. So that's a surprise. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. And by the way, I give this review of this cotton candy a 10 out of 10. Just amazing product. And let me know when you try it, and I hope you do try it. And click like, share, subscribe, and purchase your Adventures with Carl t-shirt. Bye now.